Hey guys, welcome back to another episode at Coinverse, and today's episode is going to be a tutorial video, tutorial about staking, that too through Avana wallet. So for those who don't know Avana wallet, we have already made a video about it. The link will be in the description, as well as I will put it in the I section. You guys should check it out. But to summarize that, Avana wallet is a wallet developed on the Solana network. It has a lot of additional functionalities, like it has inbuilt charts of the tokens which you are willing to invest in. It shows the history of the tokens, like 365-day past history, as well as it has swapping, staking of the tokens inbuilt in the wallet. It has NFT section as well. You can add multiple accounts in the same wallet. Even if you are already a customer of Phantom wallet, you can just link that account to the Avana wallet and you will have access to those funds automatically. Very easy process. We have made a detailed video about that. Again, the link will be in the description. But this video in particular will be about staking through Avana wallet. So let's just get started. So as you can see, I'm on the Avana wallet website, and if you scroll through the website, you will be able to understand most of the features of the Avana wallet. For example, if you scroll below, it has this features list where they have mentioned that they have live market data. So for example, if you are willing to spend or invest certain money into a particular asset, you will be able to see the history of that coin. For example, you will be able to see the history of the token like Solana, 365-day history, past week history, past hour history as well. It has also verification badges, which I think is a USP to Avana wallet, because if you are willing to transfer certain Solana, let's just say, to the OpenSea account, the Avana wallet team has already verified that account on your behalf. So you don't have to worry about transferring money into any scamming account, because the account has already been verified, and it will show you a blue tick mark, like a Twitter blue tick mark, for example. And if you scroll below, you will be able to see NFT collection as well as the other features of the Avana wallet, and it is easy to download on the Chrome, Brave, Firefox as well as Edge browser. If you want to learn about Avana wallet and its features in detail, they have a docs section where they have given a tutorial kind of sorts of each and every feature they have. For example, if you are willing to learn about staking, you can just go to the staking Solana in the docs section, and you will be able to understand how they stake the token. For staking, they use Marinade finance. What they does is they give the staked value through the Avana wallet, our value through the Avana wallet, and they give it to Marinade. And what Marinade does as it operates is distributes the funds across 450 validators currently equally. So what it does is it reduces the risk of investment for you, since it's diversifying your portfolio into multiple amount of validators. There was actually a research paper which showed that if you diversified your portfolio across multiple validators or across multiple investment options, the risk of investment reduces significantly and the reward chances increases dramatically. So that's what Marinade is based on. It will automatically diversify your portfolio across the validators, and it will give you instant staking as well as instant unstaking feature as well. So that's again a big plus point of staking through Avana wallet. As you can see, there are about 449 validators. Its current APY is 5.83%, but in the past it has also reported a 6.2%. It's definitely not as volatile as the cryptocurrency market today, but it has been given a stable return of 5.8, 6.2% and near about that area. If you invest through the Solana, you will get MSOL, the LP token, back. So as you can see, MSOL to SOL price is currently 1.05, which means that if you have one SOL, you will get about 0.94 MSOL back. And with that MSOL, you can invest in other assets, maybe buy them. And for unstaking, what you have to do is just return the MSOL back, and the valued Solana, which is equivalent to the MSOL which you gave back, unstaked it, you will get it back into the Avana wallet. It's pretty simple, straightforward process, very easy to do. What you have to do is just go to the extensions and click on the Avana wallet. I have already made the video about installing an Avana wallet, creating an account through the Avana wallet, as well as linking your already existing Phantom wallet to the Avana wallet. It's pretty straightforward. You can view it. The link is again in the description. So what you have to do is just log into the Avana wallet. As you can see, I have already logged in my Avana wallet, and you can see there is a balance of $7 right now in my Avana wallet, and I'm willing to unstake it, stake it through the Marinade finance. What I have to do is just click on manage, and there are the features of the Avana wallet. What I have to do is stake. Now here, the thing to remember is that you should never stake all your balances, because if you stake all your balances while unstaking, there is a certain fees of 0.3% if I'm not wrong, and this fees is taken through the Avana wallet. So if you stake all your funds, and if you have no funds while unstaking, you won't be able to unstake. Basically, you will have to add funds first into your Avana wallet and then unstake it, because there is a certain fee, 0.3% I think, for unstaking. So as a tip, I would suggest not to stake all your tokens, not to click on this max button. Basically, I will be staking about, let's just say, 0.15 Solana, which is about $4.84, and I just have to click stake, and that's about it. It will handle all the things. It will give to Marinade. Marinade will diversify, and as you can see, the transaction is already successful. For unstaking, all I have to do is just go to the unstake section. Let's just suppose I want to unstake everything right now, whatever I have staked, which is equivalent to $4.842. There is an unstaking fee of 0.3%. That's why never stake all your funds, because if you stake, you don't have any funds, and then you will have to add funds for unstaking. So that's the thing, and you just have to click unstake, and that's about it. The funds will be instantly unstaked. You don't have to wait hours or even minutes. The unstaking process takes seconds, and it will happen instantly. So again, a plus point for Avana wallet. So that's it from my side today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions for us to incorporate, just put that in the comment section. If you have any products for us to review, put that in the comment section, and we will make a point for it to review. If you have any other features which you want to learn about of the Avana wallet, let us know in the comment section, and we will make a point to make a video about it. As a plus, if you are willing to try the Avana wallet, there is a tasting going on of the Avana wallet right now. All you have to do is just go to their Twitter, send them a message that you are willing to taste their product out, and if you find any bug during your product testing and you report it, you will also get a certain Solana as a reward. So that's a huge thing. Just go to their Twitter, and all the links of the Avana wallet will be in the description box, and help them grow this amazing product which they have built. Thank you.